Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you guys brand new app that allows you to make $100 just for playing games. It requires no survey, no offers, and no investments. Anyone can install it and start making money. Are you doubting? Here is proof of people of making money every single day. Stay tuned to the end of the videos and make sure to follow each of every step to understand. Before that, make sure you like this video, and if you are new to the channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. This app name is Daily Raffle. This app was designed to entertain you so that you can have fun on this app and as well make big money. This app is free with daily prize starting from $10 up to $500. On this app, you can make up to $500 every single day just for playing games. If you stick with me to the end of this video, I will show you an app that make more than $500. Now, I know some of you are wondering or still doubting. How do Daily Raffle actually work? How are they paying up to $500 for just installing the app and playing games? For the first question, after signing up, inside the app, they will give you absolutely free ticket and have the chance to win money every single day. This is not like any other game, the chances to win are very high. Each ticket consists of 6 numbers between 1 and 9, to win your numbers should match at least the first 4 numbers of the winning ticket. This is so easy. It is available on Android and iOS. This is their official homepage, dailyraffleapp.com, but you can also search for it on Google Play Store and App Store. For the second question, this app is able to pay up to $500 for playing games because they shared ad revenue with their users. That is great, right? Have fun, earn money. For sticking with me to the end of the video, this is the second app that makes more than $500 for just playing games. As you can see, people are making thousands of dollars. This is their official homepage, winrgames.com. It is also available on both App Store and Play Store. You can win cash by playing free games. This is amazing, right? Playing games and earning real money. Here is the proof of people making a lot of money from all over the world. Anyone can jump on it and make money with it. This app pretty works as the previous one. Both the apps are not for life-changing income, but it is good amount of money. I hope you get some value out of this video. If you did, please kindly like and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my next video on how to make money online. My next video on make money online is how to earn LTC on Telegram and how to earn up to $10 typing Captcha, instant withdrawal. And I am sure you don't want to miss that. So, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.